Orange County is working to address the growing number of drug overdose deaths by adopting a CDC initiative. West 2's Paula Tristan Aruda tells us about the campaign and how it will raise awareness in our communities.
Nearly 300 lives are lost to drugs every day. That's according to the Centers for Disease Control. That's why the CDC created the Stop Overdose campaign. It's a way to educate people about prescription opioids and illicit drugs.
One death is one too many.
Dr. Thomas Hall, the director of the Orange County Drug Free Coalition, says the county has been working to implement the Stop Overdose campaign locally. And through a grant from the CDC, they have been able to make it happen.
There's four pieces of the campaign: awareness about fentanyl, awareness about polysubstance use, which often includes fentanyl, how to use naloxone and the availability of naloxone, and then lastly, stigma reduction. So how do we see the work as substance use disorders are a medical issue, not a moral issue?
According to the data from the State Department of Health, there were 364 opioid overdose deaths in Orange County in 2022. That's almost one a day. Leaders hope that if more people are educated about things like harm reduction practices and the risks and consequences of mixing drugs, more lives will be saved.
The other piece to the education, specifically around stigma, is to assist those people who have a loved one who may abuse or have a substance use disorder, to not judge them in a way that really pushes them away from care, but to be able to recognize that they need medical help.
And it's about getting those messages out to people in the community. So that means messages on local buses, gas station TV, and also on social media. In Orange County, Paula Tristan Aruda, WESH 2 News.